Couple announcements, Corbin, and every Corbin guys. You don't have your placards on your...
To benefit community in the community. Folks, we got all kinds of literature up here on the front of the DJ trailer. Simple one.
You can replace belts, tires,
right?
Hoses, you know, consumable. But outside of that, paint, upholstery, everything's original.
Wow. And where would it come from? Where did you find it?
Well, I got it in auction, but
Okay.
it came out of Chicago. If you look at the front, you'll see the original Chicago tax sticker on it.
Wow.
Like the metal plate on the grill.
Huh. Do you have any idea where was it that it was never touched or never destroyed?
Well,
or
I mean, it went to Chicago. Then, as far as I could go back, the guy that before it went to auction just had it stored like in a barn.
Okay. Wow. So it was a 4-door.
Yes, sir. And I bought windows for a 2-door, and put them in there, and I realized I had to cut the car 8 inches. So I cut the car to 8 inches and put it back together.
Wow. A lot of work.
Yeah.
It's interesting. It has just that little bit of different.
Yeah.
You look at it and go, what's wrong with what's different?